Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately. So please check the description box below and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is Class 8, Chapter 10, Kam Chor. Calm chore means those people who don't do anything, who don't like to work. That is, they always depend on others to get their work done. Okay, so now let's start. So first, let me tell you just a brief summary about this chapter because this is a long chapter. So just summarize it. I'll just summarize it first. That is, this is a chapter where you would have seen in old houses and all there will be a joint family, many childrens will be there, many people will be living in same house, like 6 to 7 families living in the same house. So lots and lots of children will be there, and during those time the children, number of children living in the same house were like a fun to them, but they won't do anything at all. Okay, so they keep on playing with each other. So this chapter is about that. So here the elders are becoming very irritated because of those kids, and that's why they are asking them to do some work. And in reverse, what happens? It increases their work because they do it in a very naughty and a very it becomes total disaster because they don't know to work and everyone is doing the same work, then they fight with each other and many things happen. So that's what we are going to see in this chapter. So let's see. बड़ी देर के वाद विवाद के बाद यह तय हुआ कि सचमुच नौकरों को निकाल दिया जाए. After a long debate, it was decided that the servants should be fired. आखिर ये मोटे मोटे किस काम के? आफ्टर ऑल दीज फैट किड्स शुड बी यूज्ड. हिलकर पानी नहीं पीते. दे डोंट इवन ड्रिंक वाटर बाय शेकिंग. दैट इज, इवन दे डोंट शेक देमसेल्व्स. दैट मीन्स दे डोंट वर्क एट ऑल. इन्हें अपना काम खुद करने की आदत होनी चाहिए. दे शुड हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ डूइंग देयर वर्क ऑन देयर ओन. कामचोर कहीं के, लेजी पीपल. तुम लोग कुछ नहीं, इतने सारे हो और सारा दिन उधम मचाने के सिवा कुछ नहीं करते. यू गाइज आर ऑफ नो यूज. यू आर सो मेनी बट डोंट डू एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट फसिंग ऑल डे अलॉन्ग. उधम मचाना मीन्स डिस्टर्बिंग, इरिटेटिंग और फसिंग ऑल डे अराउंड. और सचमुच हमें ख्याल आया कि हम आखिर काम क्यों नहीं करते. And then we realized or we wondered why we don't work at all. The kids, this is the kids thinking. हिलकर पानी पीने में अपना क्या खर्च होता है? What will it cost us to drink water by just shaking ourselves? इसलिए हमने तुरंत हिल हिलाकर पानी पीना शुरू किया. So we immediately started drinking water by shaking ourselves because Amma told that they even don't shake their body because they are very lazy. They don't even shake their body to drink water. What the kids started? The kids started drinking water by shaking. Now what will happen? All the water will go down. They will fight each other. They will hit each other. Okay. So like that. So they thought in their mind that what will it cost us to drink water by shaking ourselves? So let's start drinking water by shaking ourselves. हिलने में धक्के भी लग जाते हैं और हम किसी के दबेल तो थे ही नहीं. So but by shaking we started to push each other. हम किसी के दबेल means we were not under someone's control. हम किसी के दबेल तो थे नहीं कि कोई धक्का दे तो सह जाए. We were not under someone's pressure that we would bear it if someone pushes us. So what we'll do? We'll push them back. लीजिए, पानी के मटकों के पास ही घमासान युद्ध हो गया. Then what happened? Then a horrible battle started near the water pipe. पास ही मटको, मटका means pot, water pot. So a horrible battle started near the water pot. घमासान युद्ध means horrible battle. सुराहियां उधर लुढ़की. सुराहियां means jugs, water jugs. Jugs rolled over there. मटके इधर गिरे. And pot went here. कपड़े भीगे सो अलग. So what happened? Clothes also got wet. That was also there. Jug rolled over here, pot went there, clothes got wet. यह भला काम करेंगे. So Amma is telling these kids will work. अम्मा ने निश्चय किया. अम्मा decided that these people will work. अम्मा ने निश्चय किया. करेंगे कैसे नहीं? अम्मा decided. How will you not work? देखो जी, जो काम नहीं करेगा उसे रात का खाना हरगिज नहीं मिलेगा. हरगिज मीन्स डेफिनेटली. सी, लिसन, हु वोंट वर्क दे वोंट गेट डिनर एट ऑल. अंडरस्टूड? समझे? अंडरस्टूड? यह लीजिए, बिल्कुल शाही फरमान जारी हो रहे हैं. सी, एब्सोल्युटली रॉयल ऑर्डर्स वेर बीइंग इश्यूड. शाही फरमान मीन्स रॉयल ऑर्डर्स वेर बीइंग इश्यूड दैट इफ यू गाइज डोंट वर्क यू वोंट गेट डिनर टुनाइट. So what happened here? So we'll just discuss page by page. In this page what happened? Amma decided that now onwards we should not hire servants, rather than we should ask these kids to do their own work, because all their works were being done by servants. So she thought, okay, why not they can do their own work. So she taunted them, saying that they don't even drink water by shaking themselves. They are such lazy people. And hearing this, what the kids started shaking themselves, and it resulted in a fight. They started to push each other. Then the pot fell down, and jugs were lying here and there. Water fell down. They got drenched totally in water. Okay, so they got wet. And what Amma said, Amma got very tensed, and she said, if you don't work, then what will happen? You will not get dinner today. Okay, and so let's move on to the next पेज. हम काम करने को तैयार हैं. काम बताए जाए. वी आर रेडी टू वर्क. गिव अस सम वर्क. हमने दुहाई की. दुहाई की मीन्स वी बेग्ड फॉर वर्क. वी बेग्ड. बहुत से काम हैं जो तुम कर सकते हो. देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स यू कैन डू. सो मेनी वर्क्स यू कैन डू. मिसाल के लिए मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यह दरी. दरी मीन्स कारपेट. यह दरी कितनी मैली हो रही है. दिस कारपेट इज गेटिंग सो डर्टी. आंगन में कितना कूड़ा पड़ा है. हाउ मच डर्ट और गार्बेज इज लाइंग देयर इन कोर्टयार्ड. आंगन मीन्स कोर्टयार्ड. पेड़ों में पानी देना है. और भाई, मुफ्त तो यह काम करवाए नहीं जाएंगे. यू कैन ऑल्सो वाटर द ट्रीज एंड यू डोंट हैव टू डू दिस वर्क फॉर फ्री. तुम सबको तनख्वाह भी मिलेगी. यू विल ऑल्सो बी पेड सैलरी. तनख्वाह मीन्स सैलरी. अब्बा मियाँ ने कुछ काम बताई. सो दिस इज देयर फादर इज टेलिंग दैट. अब्बा मियाँ ने कुछ काम बताई. सो फादर ऑल्सो टोल्ड सम वर्क्स. और दूसरे कामों का हवाला भी दिया. एंड ऑल्सो शोड. हवाला मीन्स शोड और साइटेड सम अदर वर्क्स. माली को तनख्वाह मिलती है. अगर सब बच्चे मिलकर पानी डाले तो. Mali gets paid if all the kids water together then. And cutting his speech, mother is telling, हे खुदा के लिए नहीं, घर में बाढ़ आ जाएगी. So when father is telling like Mali is getting paid, so if these kids water the plants, there is no need to pay Mali, then these kids can be paid. So cutting his speech, mother is telling, oh God, please no, the house will be flooded. Because they all will start watering and the house will be flooded. अम्मा ने याचना की. अम्मा ने याचना की मीन्स अम्मा प्लीडेड. फिर भी तनख्वाह के सपने देखते हुए हम लोग काम पर तुल गए. स्टिल ड्रीमिंग ऑफ सैलरी वी वेंट टू वर्क. एक दिन फर्शी दरी पर बहुत से बच्चे जुट गए. वन डे अ लॉट ऑफ किड्स गैदर्ड नियर द कारपेट, फ्लोर कारपेट. और चारों ओर से कोने पकड़कर झटकना शुरू किया. And they started to shake the carpet by grabbing it from all the sides. दो चार ने लकड़ियां लेकर धुआंधार पिटाई शुरू कर दी. Two to four kids, what they did, they even started beating the carpet with stick in order to clean the dust. But it resulted in lot of dust into the air. धुआंधार means the air is surrounded with dust. Then सारा घर धूल में अट गया. The whole house was filled with dust. खांसते खांसते सब बेदम हो गए. Everybody got breathless because of the coughing. सारी धूल जो दरी पर थी, जो फर्श पर थी, सबके सिरों पर जम गई. All the dust that was present on the carpet, on the floor, was now on everyone's head. आंखों और आंखों में घुस गई. So it went to their eyes and nose. बुरा हाल हो गया सबका. Everybody was in bad shape. हम लोगों को तुरंत आंगन में निकाला गया. So we were immediately evacuated to the courtyard because they made the whole house full of dust. They were thrown out of the house. वहाँ अब हम लोगों ने फौरन झाड़ू देने का फैसला किया. So now we decided immediately to sweep there. फैसला means decision. फौरन means immediately. झाड़ू क्योंकि एक थी और तनख्वाह लेने वाले उम्मीदवार बहुत. Because there was only one broom and a lot of people who needed salary. What happened? इसलिए क्षण भर में झाड़ू के पुर्जे उड़ गए. So within seconds the parts of broom flew off. जितनी सीखें जिसके हाथ पड़ी वह उनसे ही उल्टे सीधे हाथ मारने लगा. Whoever grabbed strands, they started to sweep with that directly. Everyone were having two, three sticks of the broom. So with that they started brooming the courtyard. अम्मा ने सिर पीट लिया. अम्मा hit her head in disappointment. भाई ये बुजुर्ग काम करने दे तो इंसान काम करें. So the kids are thinking, oh God, this elders would let us work, then only we can work, right? अब जरा सी बात पर टोकने लगे तो बस हो चुका काम. Now they have started scolding at small petty issues. Then how will we work? Then work will be done. Like that they are saying. Okay. So what happened in this page? So first they said, okay, we are ready to work. Tell us some work. So what father did? Father showed them some works to be done, and he said this can also be done, and even you can water the plants. But Amma said, no, please don't do that. The house will be flooded. So what happened? One day some kids gathered in the living area where one big carpet was there. It was full of dust. They started shaking it. So what happened? All the dust got into the air and some got on their head, and the whole room was filled with dust. Everybody started coughing and they were thrown out of the courtyard. Okay, thrown into the courtyard and thrown out of the living room. Then what happened? Then they saw a broom and they thought, okay, we will sweep the courtyard now. But what happened? Because they started fighting, everybody wanted salary. What happened? They started fighting for broom and everyone got two strands of sticks. And they started sweeping the floor with those two sticks. So seeing that, Amma got disappointed and Amma said, oh my God, what is this happening? And seeing this, the kids thought in mind that if they started scolding for each and small petty issues, how will we work? Because earlier they tried to drink water by shaking, then also they were scolded. Then now they tried to clean the carpet, there also they were thrown out. And next, now they are doing the brooming, then also she is scolding us. So how will we do the work? असल में झाड़ू देने से पहले ज़रा सा पानी छिड़क लेना चाहिए. Actually, a little water should be sprinkled before sweeping. बस यह ख्याल आते ही तुरंत दरी पर पानी छिड़का गया. So as soon as this thought came, water was sprinkled on the carpet immediately. एक तो वैसे ही धूल से अटी हुई थी. Already it was covered with dust. पानी पड़ते ही सारी धूल कीचड़ बन गई. As soon as water was sprinkled, the dust soon became mud. अब सब आंगन से भी निकाले गए. Now we all were thrown out of the courtyard as well. तय हुआ कि पेड़ों को पानी दिया जाए. Then we decided we can water the trees. बस सारे घर की बाल्टियां, लोटे, तसले, बगोले, पतीलियां लूट ली गई. Then what happened? All the buckets, jug, bowls, plates, glasses, everything were looted. जिन्हें ये चीज़ें भी ना मिली, वे डोंगे, कटोरे और गिलास ही ले भागे. Those who did not even got these things ran away with the kitchen bowls and glasses. अब सब लोग नल पर टूट पड़े. Now everybody attacked the water tap. यहाँ भी वह घमासान मची कि क्या मजाल दो एक बूंद पानी भी किसी के बर्तन में आ सके. Here also what happened? The same battle. Here also there was a battle that no drop of water should go in someone else's vessel. So they started fighting with each other. ठुसम ठास, किसी बाल्टी पर पतीला और पतीले पर लोटा और भगोगे और ढोंगे. So what happened? They started pushing each other. There was pot above some bucket, bucket about some pot, and vessels about pots, pots about vessels. There was like sounds and some were hitting this, someone were hitting them. So they were fighting with each other. पहले तो धक्के चले, फिर कुहनियाँ और उसके बाद बर्तन. First they were pushing each other. Then they started hitting with elbows and with vessels. कुहनियाँ means elbows. फौरन बड़े भाइयों, बहनों, मामों और दमदार मौसों और फूफियों की कुमक भेजी गई. सो इमीडिएटली टू स्टॉप द फाइट, बड़े भाइयों, बिग ब्रदर्स, बिग सिस्टर्स, मैटरनल आंट, अंकल्स वे सेंट इन ऑर्डर टू कंट्रोल देम. फौज मैदान में हथियार फेंककर पीठ दिखा गई. सीइंग देम द किड्स आर्मी ड्रॉप्ड देयर वेपन्स एंड सरेंडर्ड. एक घींगा मुश्ती में कुछ बच्चे कीचड़ में लथपथ हो गए. इन दिस फाइट सम चिल्ड्रन गॉट सोक्ड इन मड. जिन्हें नहलाकर कपड़े बदलवाने के लिए नौकरों की वर्तमान संख्या काफ़ी नहीं थी. टू क्लीन देम एंड बाथ देम एंड ऑल्सो चेंज देयर क्लोथ्स द प्रेजेंट नंबर ऑफ सर्वेंट्स वेर नॉट इनफ. पास के बंगलों से नौकर आए और 4 आना प्रति बच्चे के हिसाब से नहलवाए गए. फ्रॉम नियर बाई बंगलो सर्वेंट्स अराइव्ड एंड दे वेर पेड ईच 4 आनास पर चाइल्ड फॉर बाथिंग देम. हम लोग कायल हो गए कि सचमुच यह सफाई का काम अपने बस की बात नहीं. वी वेर कन्विंस्ड दैट दिस क्लीनिंग वर्क इज़ नॉट अ थिंग. और ना पेड़ों की देखभाल हमसे हो सकती है, नॉर वी कैन टेक केयर ऑफ ट्रीज. कम से कम मुर्गियां ही बंद कर दे. एटलीस्ट वी कैन लॉक द हेन्स. ओके, बस शाम ही से जो बांस छड़ी हाथ पड़ी लेकर मुर्गियां हाँकने लगे. एंड दैट्स इट. They started like we started shooing the hens with bamboo or whatever stick we could grab. चल दबड़े दबड़े, कम ऑन दबड़ दबड़. पर साहब, मुर्गियों को भी किसी ने हमारे विरुद्ध भड़का रखा था. But chickens were also ordered to stand against us. ऊंट पटांग इधर उधर कूदने लगी. They started jumping here and there. 2 मुर्गियां खीर के प्यालों से जिन पर आया चांदी के वक्र लगा रही थी, दौड़ती फड़फड़ाती हुई निकल गई. 2 chickens crossed the rice pudding on which the mom was applying the silver leaf work silver leaf work, that is one shining will be there, shining silver leaf will be there. No? She was decorating and two chickens crossed that. So what happened? दौड़ती फटाते हुए निकल गई. दे क्रॉस्ड दैट रनिंग बिकॉज दे वेर द किड्स वेर रनिंग बिहाइंड इट. सो द टू चिकन्स रैन एंड वॉट हैपेंड. तूफान गुजरने के बाद पता चला कि प्याले खाली हैं. सो व्हेन तूफान मीन्स स्टॉर्म, आफ्टर द पासिंग स्टॉर्म वी फाउंड आउट दैट द कप्स वेर एम्प्टी. और सारी खीर दादी दीदी के कामदानी के दुपट्टे और ताजे धुले सिर पर लगी हुई है. So we found out that the cups were empty and all the kheer, that is all the rice pudding, fell into sister's dupatta and her freshly washed head. एक बड़ा सा मुर्गा अम्मा के खुले हुए पानदान में कूद पड़ा. And one big rooster jumped into Amma's the pandan means the box where they used to keep that pan items, everything related to pan. And what the big cock did, it with her claws, because she went into the pan, her claws stained, her legs got stained, and with that stained legs that cock walked on grandma's white bed sheet. So what happened in this page? Because झाड़ू देने से पहले, या so the kids realized that we should not just dust it, first we should sprinkle some water, then only we should start sweeping. Or someone got an idea and everybody started sprinkling water. What happened? The dust turned into mud and they got very dirty. All the kids got dirty and everyone, what they did, they started fighting for water jugs. Everyone started to, they were trying to get water from the water tap, and everyone started fighting. And whoever got whatever vessels, they started picking it up. So someone bought jugs, someone got glasses, someone took the kitchen bowls, everything, and they started fighting again in the water tap area. Then what happened? Everyone got into mud and to bath them and to change them. Even the current servants were not enough and they had to depend on the servants in the other bungalows, and they called them to wash and bath them. So it was again a additional work for them. Then what happened? Then they decided, okay, we cannot do this cleaning and watering work, so let's do something we can. That is, we can lock the murgis, that is hens, up in their coop. So we can take them to their own houses, coop. So what they did, they started showing them. But what happened? So because the hens got scared, they started running here and there. And what happened? Two chickens jumped and crossed over Amma's kheer, and all the kheer, that is rice pudding, it was there in Amma's lap. It fell down into sister's dupatta and also on all over her head. And next what happened? One big cock jumped into Amma's pandan, that is where she keeps pan, and stained her legs, and she walked on a white dadis, that is grandma's white bed sheet. Okay. So then here next one. एक मुर्गी दाल की पतीली में छपाक मारकर भागी और सीधी जाकर मोरी में इस तेज से फिसली कि सारी कीचड़ मौसी जी के मुंह पर पड़ी, जो बैठी हुई हाथ मुंह धो रही थी. एंड व्हाट हैपन हियर? एक मुर्गी दाल की पतीली में छपाक मारकर भागी. सो hen ran away after putting her leg in a dal curry, and because of the dal curry she got slipped, that is the hen got slipped and fell into the area where the people used to clean vessels, that is mori. Mori is an area where they used to clean vessels, and there will be a lot of mud there because the water is flowing, so there will be a lot of mud there. So the hen fell into that area and the mud splashed into aunt's face, who was sitting and washing her hand and face there. Okay. इधर सारी मुर्गियां बनेकेल का ऊंट बनी चारों तरफ दौड़ रही थी. Here all the hens were running here and there, very scared, because all of them were following them. They got very scared. देन व्हाट हैपेंड, एक भी दबड़े में जाने को राजी न थी. इवन अ सिंगल hen was not ready to go into its coop or its house. इधर किसी को सूझी कि जो भेड़े आए हुए हैं लगे हाथों उन्हें भी दाना खिलाया जाए. Then someone thought, let's feed these sheep who have just come with some grains. दिन भर की भूखी भेड़े दाने का सूप देकर जो सबकी सब झपटी तो भागकर जाना कठिन हो गया. Then the sheep who were very hungry and searching for the food the whole day, when they saw the grains box that were offered to them by kids, they all jumped together that it was so difficult for them to run in a direction because all of them jumped together. लष्टम पष्टम तख्तों पर चढ़ गई. So what happened, because they couldn't run in same direction, they started climbing the boats. और पर भेड़ चाल मशहूर है. एंड द भेड़ चाल मीन्स हाउ द शीप्स रन इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, इट इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, उनकी नज़र तो बस दाने के सूप पर जमी हुई थी. दे हैड फिक्स्ड देयर साइट ऑन द ग्रेन बॉक्स. पलंगों को फलांगती, बर्तन लुढ़काती साथ साथ चढ़ गई. So what they did, they started crossing the court and heating vessels, they started running. Now the sheep also started running in the house. तख्त पर बानी दीदी का दुपट्टा फैला हुआ था. बानी दीदी, that is बानी sisters, scarf was spread on the board, जिस पर गोखरी, चंपा और समला सितारे रखकर बड़ी दीदी मुगलानी बुआ को कुछ बता रही थी. On which she had kept गोखरी, champa and salma sitare. That and all are like tailoring accessories that she will use to make the scarf. And also she had kept all those on the scarf, and she was telling something to Muglani Bua. So she was telling to Muglani aunt something, keeping all this on her scarf. भेड़े बहुत निसंकोच सबको रौंदती मैंगनों का छिड़काव करती हुई दौड़ गई. The sheep without any hesitation, निसंकोच means without any hesitation, ran over all that and spreading everything here and there. जब तूफान गुजर चुका था तो ऐसे लगा जैसे जर्मनी की सेना टैंकों और बम्बारों सहित उधर से छापा मारकर गुजर गई हो. When the storm passed, it seemed as if German armies, tank and bombs passed raiding them. जहाँ जहाँ से सूप गुजरा, भेड़ें शिकारी कुत्तों की तरह गंध सूंघती हुई हमला करती गई. Wherever the grains passed, the sheep smelled like predatory dogs and attacked. हज्जन माँ एक पलंग पर दुपट्टे से मुंह ढांके सो रही थी. Hajjan's mother was sleeping on a bed, covering herself with scarf. उन पर से जो भेड़ें दौड़ी तो ना जाने वह सपने में किन महलों की सैर कर रही थी. So the sheep ran over her, don't know which place she was visiting in her dream. दुपट्टे में उलझी हुई मारो मारो चीखने लगी. She started screaming, stuck in scarf, kill kill. इतने में भेड़ें सूप को भूलकर तरकारी वाले की टोकरी पर टूट पड़ी. In some time, sheep forgot about the grain soup and they broke down on तरकारी वाली means vegetable seller's basket. टोकरी means basket. वह दालान में बैठी, दालान means hallway. वह दालान में बैठी मटर की फलियां तोल तोल कर रसोइयों को दे रही थी. She was weighing pea beans, sitting in the hallway and giving it to the cook. वह अपनी तरकारी का बचाव करने के लिए सीना तानकर उठ गई. She stood up to defend her basket. आपने कभी भेड़ों को मारा होगा. If you would ever have beaten a sheep, तो अच्छी तरह देखा होगा कि बस ऐसा लगता है जैसे रुई के तकिए को कूट रहे हो. If you ever have beaten a sheep, then you would know that It seems like you are hitting a cotton pillows. भेड़ को चोट नहीं लगती. Sheep do not get hurt. बिल्कुल यह समझकर कि आप उससे मजाक कर रहे हैं, वह आप पर चढ़ बैठेगी. Thinking that you are just playing with her, she will climb on you. जरा सी देर में भेड़ों ने तरकारी छिलकों समेत अपने पेट की कड़ाही में झोंक दी. Within minutes, they ate all the peas with the peels itself. All the peas that were present, or all the vegetables that were present in the basket with the peels. So what happened in this page? First a hen came and she fell into a dal curry. And what happened? Because she fell into dal curry, she got slipped and she fell into the sink area, that is the washing utensil area. And what happened? Then the mud splashed on some aunt who was sitting and washing her face there. So that happened. Then next what happened? Yeah, then one of the kid thought that okay, now we can do one thing. The sheeps have returned home searching for food all day long. Let's feed some grains. And they took the grains box. They opened the grains box, seeing that all the sheeps started running towards the grain soup. Okay, so they couldn't see anything because they were hungry all day searching for food. So they all attacked at the same time, and they couldn't run, so they started jumping the coats and vessels, and they were just trying to go to the soup without any distraction. So in between what happened, so one Bani Didi had laid her tailoring items like Gokhri, Champa or Salma Sitare. So they went and they ran over it, and everything fell off here and there. It got spreaded here and there. Then next what happened? Then one Hajjan's mother was laying on bed, and because she was covered with scarf, sheep didn't see and they ran over her, and in her sleep she started screaming. Okay, that happened. Then what happened? Then what happened while running? The sheep saw a basket full of vegetables which belonged to a vegetable seller woman who was giving peas to the cook. But what happened when sheep saw this? They attacked the vegetable basket. She tried to beat them with sticks, but you know, sheeps, because they have a lot of hair on them, they never get hurt. Even if we try hard, they never get hurt. It's like beating a pillow. Nothing will happen to them. So what they feel like we are playing with them, and they start climbing on us. So that is even worse. It won't help at all. So what happened? They cleanly ate all the vegetables in her basket. So next one. इधर यह प्रलय मची थी, उधर दूसरे बच्चे भी लापरवाह नहीं थे. So here there was such a disaster, and the other children were also not there careless. इतनी बड़ी फौज थी जिसे रात का खाना न मिलने की धमकी मिल चुकी थी. There was such a large army who had received the threat of not getting dinner. वह 4 भैंसों का दूध दुहने पर जुट गए. So they started now milking 4 buffaloes. धूली बेधूली बाल्टी लेकर 8 हाथ 4 स्तनों पर पिल पड़े. So what happened? Fighting each other, they took a bucket and 8 hands attacked on 4 breasts. भैंस एकदम जैसे चारों पैर जोड़कर उठी और बाल्टी को लात मारकर दूर जा खड़ी हुई. The buffalo, when the kids attacked her, the buffalo stood up, kicked the bucket and went far away and stood there. तय हुआ कि भैंस की अगाड़ी पिछाड़ी बांध दी जाए और फिर काबू में लाकर दूध दूह लिया जाए. Because she is running here and she ran away and stood in a distance. It was decided that the buffalo should be tied up tightly and then brought under control, and then she should be milked. बस झूले की रस्सी उतारकर भैंस के पैर बांध दिए गए। देन वॉट दे द बफेलोज फीट वेर टाइड अप बाय टेकिंग ऑफ द स्विंग्स रोप। पिछले दो पैर चाचा जी के चारपाई के पायों में बांध अगले दो पैरों को बांधने की कोशिश जारी की कि भैंस चौकन्नी हो गई। सो the back legs of the buffalo were tied up with the uncle's bed where uncle was sleeping, and when they were going to tie the other two legs, the buffalo became alert. She understood, oh, something is happening. छूटकर जो भागी तो पहले चाचा जी समझे कि शायद कोई सपना देख रहे थे। So buffalo got alert, and when she started running. When the buffalo ran from there, first the uncle thought it was some dream because his bed was tied to the buffalo's leg. So when buffalo was running, the uncle was also following her with the bed. फिर जब चारपाई पानी के ड्रम से टकराई और पानी छलक कर गिरा तो समझे कि आंधी तूफान में फंसे हैं। So but when the bed collided with the water tank and some water splashed on him, then he understood that, oh, I have been trapped in some storm. So he thought, it is not a dream, I have been trapped in a storm because water was also there. साथ में भूचाल भी आया है। भूचाल means earthquake. Earthquake was also there along with it. फिर जल्दी ही उन्हें असली बात का पता चल गया। Then soon he realized what really happened. और वह पलंग की दोनों पट्टियां पकड़े। So what he did, suddenly, quickly he grabbed both the legs of the cot. बच्चों को छोड़ देने वालों को बुरा भला सुनाने लगे। So leaving the children, he started cursing the God because he got very scared. He started cursing the God. So what happened in this page? So leaving all the sheep and all the hens behind, now they started milking the buffaloes. Okay, and there was only one bucket and 8 hands on 4 breasts. So they started attacking the buffalo literally. And what happened? But the buffalo got very scared. She kicked the bucket and ran away and stood in some distance. Then the kids decided, oh, now like this we cannot milk her. First we have to tie her. So first what they did, they tied the back of her legs to some uncle's bed, and other 2 legs, when they were trying to tie it, what happened? The buffalo escaped and she ran away. And what happened? When she ran, the uncle's bed with the uncle, it also followed her. So at first uncle thought it was just a dream, but then they hit a water tank and water splashed on him. So he thought, oh, it is a storm now. But after some time he realized, oh, what really has happened, and he got very scared and he caught hold of the legs of the cot, and he was still following the buffalo and he started cursing the God. यहाँ बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा था. It was a lot of fun here. भैंस भागी जा रही थी और पीछे पीछे चारपाई और उस पर बैठे थे चाचा जी. The buffalo was running here and there. The bed was following it with uncle on it. ओहो, एक भूल ही हो गई, यानी बछड़ा तो खोला ही नहीं, इसलिए तत्काल बछड़ा भी खोल दिया गया. Oh, a mistake happened. The calf was not released because the buffalo can only be milked when its kid, that is its calf, drinks the milk, then only we can milk the buffalo. Someone realized it, and then what they did, so the calf was also released immediately. तीर निशाने पर पड़ा और बछड़े की ममता में व्याकुल होकर भैंस ने अपने खुरों को ब्रेक लगा दिया. So what happened? The arrow sat perfectly on the target. Seeing the calf, the buffalo's mother nature came on, and what the buffalo controlled its anger and she stopped. बछड़ा तत्काल जुट गया. So calf started drinking milk and it got under control. दूहने वाले गिलास कटोरे लेकर लपके, क्योंकि बाल्टी तो छपाक से गोबर में जा गिरी थी. So the kids that were milking the cow, they all grabbed glass bowls because the bucket had fallen into some cow dung. बछड़ा फिर भागी हो गया. Seeing all the kids coming in, what the calf did? The calf ran away again. कुछ दूध जमीन पर और कपड़ों पर गिरा. Some milk spilled on the ground and some on clothes. 2-4 धारें गिलास कटोरों पर भी पड़ गए. 2-4 milk drops fell in the glass bowls also. बाकी बछड़ा पी गया. The rest milk the calf drank. यह सब कुछ मिनट के 3/4 में हो गया. This all happened in 3/4 quarter of a minute. In 3/4 of a minute, all this happened. What happened? Bachra ran away. Some water, some milk sprinkled on their bowls. Some fell on the clothes and some fell on the ground. घर में तूफान उठ खड़ा हुआ था. So there was a storm in the house because sheep were going, hens were going, now buffalo is running, calf is running. So it was a big storm in the house. ऐसा लगता था जैसे सारे घर में मुर्गियां, भेड़े, टूटे हुए तसले, बाल्टियां, लोटे, कटोरे और बच्चे थे. So it seemed like all the house was filled with chicken, sheep were all over the house. The chicken, sheep were all over the house. There were broken plates, baskets, bowls and also children. बच्चे बाहर किए गए. The kids were taken out. मुर्गियां बाग में हकाई गई. The hens were taken into garden. मातम सा मनाती तरकारी वाली के आंसू पोंछे गए. So the tears of the vegetable lady were wiped. और अम्मा आगरा जाने के लिए सामान बांधने लगी. And अम्मा started packing her things to go to Agra. या तो बच्चा राज कायम कर लो या मुझे ही रख लो. So she got very irritated and she said, either you let the kids rule this house or you keep me. नहीं तो मैं चली मायके. Otherwise I'll go to my home, अम्मा said. और अब्बा ने सबको कतार में खड़ा करके पूरी बटालियन का कोर्ट मार्शल कर दिया. So father asked everyone to line up and turned the battalion into a court martial. अगर किसी बच्चे ने घर की किसी चीज को हाथ लगाया तो बस रात का खाना बंद हो जाएगा. If anyone touches something in the house, that's it. There is no dinner for you. ये लीजिए, इन्हें किसी करवट शांति नहीं. That's it. Here you are. These people are not happy whatever happens. हम लोगों ने भी निश्चय कर लिया कि अब चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, हिलकर पानी भी नहीं पिएंगे. That's it. We also decided. Now whatever happens, we won't even drink water by shaking up. Okay. So what happened in this page? So here there was lot of fun. The cow, the buffalo was running here and there with the chachaji with it. So what happened? One person thought that okay, it's better to release the bachra, that is release the calf, so that the buffalo will start running. The same happened. The buffalo stopped running and the calf started drinking milk. So everyone came running with the glass and bucket and all. So what happened? Seeing them, the bachra ran away and they got only little milk, that is it got splashed on some bowls and only that much was there. The whole house was filled with hens, sheep, buffalo and everything, and broken plates, broken vessels, buckets, jugs. So all the kids were asked to go out. Then the hens were taken into their place, and the vegetable lady who had lost her vegetable basket, she was also taken care of. And Amma got very irritated and she told, I am going to my own house to Agra. Only one thing will happen, either the kids will rule the house or I will rule the house. So hearing this, the father scolded everyone. He asked them to line up, and he told, if anyone touches anything in the house, they will not be provided any dinner. And then the kids decided, these elders are always very fussy. They never are happy with the thing. First they were telling us to work, if we work then also they are not happy, if we are not working then also they are not happy. So that's it. So they decided, we won't even drink water by shaking ourselves. So that's it. That's a chapter, Kamchor. I hope you understood. So let's just summarize it a little bit. Okay, so what happened? First the kids were asked to work. They said, okay, we will work. Then first work what they did, they tried to clean the carpet, but it was a mess because they started beating it with the stick, and all the house was filled with dust. So that got flopped. Then second work what they did, they tried to water the carpet, because they thought, okay, we'll sweep the floor, means we'll clean the carpet with water. So what happened, the dust became into turned into mud, and then all the kids were rolled in mud, and they had to call all the servants and other bungalow servants also to clean them. Okay, then third work what they did, okay, then they decided, okay, we won't do cleaning and all, let's do one thing, we will what they will do, okay, then they decided they will shoe the hens. Then they ran here and there, the hens ran over the scarves and some vessels, and it dropped rice puddings, and one hen fell into mud and splashed some mud on aunt's face and all. Then fourth work what they did, they tried to feed the sheep, and it was also a disaster. What happened, the sheep ran here and there, and they broke many vessels. Then they also ate vegetable ladies basket, that is the vegetables that are filled in that, it also ate that. Then at last the vegetable lady started to hit it, then also it was also a flop. So they couldn't even control sheep. Then next what they did is, they thought, okay, let's leave sheep, now we'll take care of buffaloes. They started milking the buffalo, but buffalo got very irritated, it ran away. They had tied the leg to some uncle's bed, and so what happened, when the buffalo ran, the uncles also ran with it. So it was also a disaster. Then what they did, then they opened the calf cage, and because of that the buffalo stopped there. But when they tried milking, the calf ran away, and they got only a little milk. It also got spilled on their clothes, on the ground, everywhere. So at last the parents decided it's better that the children don't work, because it was all a mess all over. So the amma told, either they will rule the house or I'll rule the house. Then what was decided? It was decided that the kids won't touch anything in the house. So the kids thought, okay, it's better that we don't do anything at all, and we won't drink water by shaking ourselves. Okay, so it was a small summary about the chapter. So I hope you understood the chapter. Please let me know in the comment section below that if teaching in this way is fine for you or not. Okay, so thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.